Good morning, hello everyone, I'm Avishka Thadani, your host, and here are the tech news of the day, which covers Lenovo India to launch local production of AI services and new R&D services in Bangalore. T-Mobile partners with NVIDIA, Precision and Nokia to launch AI-powered mobile networks. Xiaomi overtakes Apple in smartphone sales for August 2024. We'll also cover AI Alliance welcomes 7 Indian organizations. Google expands cross-device sharing features for Android users. Then we have Neuralink's vision implant receives FDA breakthrough designation. Bose launches new Quiet Comfort earbuds at $179. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you what is the primary programming language used for iOS app development, and the answer is Swift. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What does SEO stand for? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. For the first news, we have Lenovo India has announced plans to manufacture 50,000 GPU-based AI servers starting next year. Boosting its operations in Bangalore, the servers will be produced at its Puducherry facility and are set to be exported globally. Managing Director Shailendra Katyan emphasized the company's long-standing commitment to manufacturing in India, dating back 2 decades. Alongside this initiative, Lenovo will establish its 4th largest research and development center in Bangalore, aimed at enhancing system design and software development. Amit Luthra, Managing Director of Lenovo India's infrastructure group, stated that this center will match the standards of Lenovo's global facilities, fostering a highly skilled workforce in the region. Now, we have T-Mobile, which is stepping up its 5G game by teaming up with NVIDIA, Ericsson and Nokia to create AI-enhanced mobile networks. This collaboration aims to improve how customers experience mobile services, especially for gaming, video and augmented reality. This new AI RAN Innovation Center in Washington will use AI to optimize network performance by analyzing vast amount of data in real time. This means faster speed and better reliability for users. T-Mobile CEO Mike Seward emphasized that this partnership will redefine mobile networks, paving the way for advanced applications and improved services. With this initiative, T-Mobile continues to lead in transforming the future of telecommunication. Now, in a surprising turn, Xiaomi has surpassed Apple in global smartphone sales for August 2024, marking its first time in second place since August 2021. According to Counterpoint Research, Xiaomi's sales remained steady while Apple's experienced a typical seasonal decline. Xiaomi's growth has been fueled by successful promotion in Latin America and a focus on fewer standout models in each price range. Its Redmi 13 and Note 13 series, which have been popular in budget markets across India and other regions. Meanwhile, Apple's shares fell nearly 3% due to concerns about demand for new iPhone 16 Pro models, with analyzing noting shorter delivery times as a sign of weaker interest. Now we have the AI Alliance, which has added 7 Indian organizations to its membership, including AI for Bharat, IIT Jodhpur, Infosys, Kisan AI, People Plus AI, Sarvam AI, and Wadhwani AI. This expansion highlights India's growing role in global AI development. The Indian government's Indian AI mission aims to make technology accessible and support innovation. With a strong developer community and a startup scene, India is becoming a key player in AI talent and skills. The alliance promotes open and responsible AI practices, allowing members to collaborate and address challenges all together. Leaders from IBM and Meta emphasize the importance of this collaboration, which is ensuring that AI benefits everyone and meets the unique needs of India's diverse landscape. Now we have Google. Google is enhancing cross-device sharing capabilities for Android 11 and above, rolling out with version 24.35.30 of Google Play services, especially for Pixel and Samsung Galaxy devices, announced at Google 2024 conference. The features currently include call casting and internet sharing. Users can enable these options through the settings app by navigating to Google, then device and sharing, and then cross-device services. To utilize these features, devices must be linked to the same Google account. Call transfer between devices is available via Google Meet, while users can share their internet connection seamlessly with other linked Android devices. Both Bluetooth and location services must be enabled for internet sharing to function. For the next news, we have Neuralink, Elon Musk's brain chip startup, which has reached a significant milestone with its experimental vision implant blind sight. Earning the breakthrough device designation from the FDA, the designation is given to medical devices that can potentially treat serious conditions. Neuralink announced on X that this device aims to restore sight to those who have lost it, even those who are completely blind. Musk noted that while initial vision might be low resolution, future achievements could lead to users to see in various wavelengths, including infrared. Additionally, Neuralink is developing implants to help patients control devices using their thoughts. A clinical trial is underway to evaluate these technologies with promising early results. Last but not the least, we have Bose, which is introducing its new Quiet Comfort earbuds priced at $179, offering a non-ultra option for customers. These earbuds feature active noise cancellation, wireless charging, and a comfortable design with up to 8.5 hours of battery life. Likely with noise cancellation turned off. Available in black, white, and purple, they also support multi-point connectivity and are water resistant. Unique features include a remote selfie option that lets you use the earbuds as a shutter for your phone cameras. There is also a Hey Headphones, voice assistant command, and a low latency mode for gamers. Each earbud has 3 microphones for enhanced noise cancellation and calls. The Quiet Comfort earbuds fit between Bose premium models and aim to deliver top-notch performance at a competitive price. That was all for today. We'll meet again in the next bulletin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IT Voice.